My heart. And boom, boom, boom.
Oh! Tired of that same old boring milkshake? The shake you make got you down? Well, we've got just the thing. It's the fake shake! I mean, the fraud shake! No, wait, it's the...
It's the fake shake, baby! You are an outrageous milkshake, the superhero kind! I'm all about that 50s look. Today we're making a chocolate milkshake inspired by the show WandaVision. WandaVision is a show with magic and mystery. Like our milkshake, WandaVision starts with a classic, but then there's a twist. Warning! Getting the whopper of a muffin on the cup is not going to be easy. I love those classic shows, and why not dress like a 50s gal? If you like fun funny videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell.
Take out the papers and the trash, or you don't get no spending cash.
Everyone's favorite show, Cheeky Sassy Me, starring your host, Sophia Cardoso.
The things you need are chocolate ice cream, chocolate ganache, red Twizzlers, red gumballs, marshmallow cherries, strawberry jelly, silver sprinkles, red pearls, spiral lollipops, aren't these cute? Whipped cream in a piping bag of a tip, milk, red velvet cake, and egg batter, candy chocolate melts. The equipment you need are ice cream scooper, gem mode, a red striped straw, a blender, and a cup. Let's get started. This is going to be a gas. The first thing we're going to do is melt our candy melts in the microwave. Now I'm mixing my candy melts and now I'm going to put them in my mold. It's time to put our candy melts in the freezer. While our candy melts are in the freezer, it's time to work on our milkshake. I'm going to start my ganache. And this combination of cream and chocolate together. It's time to pour in our milk to our mixture. It's gonna be a gas. I'm going to move this aside and bring in our ice cream. Now it's time to pour our ice cream into our blender. Four scoops. One, two. Three. Four. I love ice cream, guys. Now it's time to mix it all together. I'm going to now pour in our strawberry topping to line our cup. I put in the freezer so it can harden. And to give it that Wanda flair. Comment down below if you think I'm going to do a good job. I'm the rim. I cut my twizzlers about an inch. Now I'm gonna line my cup with them. Yeah, I think it's kind of low with pear candy is. I love twizzlers. One thing I know, in the film, WandaVision, Wanda's got powers, and it's red powers. This is just like the red in Wanda's powers. Gee whiz. There's 2 left over. Where's gotta go? And no in the hole. I'm gonna pour in 1 scoop of ice cream into my cup. Let's pour our milkshake into our cup. Look, ice cream popped up. Now it's time to top it with our whipped cream. It's time to pour in our straw. Straw time. Alright, gems. Gems are a girl's best friend. My heart. And boom, boom, boom.
Oh,
For you Marvel fans out there, to get Vision's Mind Stone to stick, you can use chocolate and sprinkles. Now I'm gonna put it on our thing.
the Mind Stone fell.
I got it. Let go of the ice cream. Wait a second, I'm Wanda. I can fix this. I got Vision's Mind Stone to stick with chocolate. And now I'm gonna pour some sprinkles for some extra details. I put 3 gumballs. Now I'm gonna pour in some little baby red pearls to my cup. So I add my twisty lollipops and a cherry. What do you think of my shake? Comment down below if you like it. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that bell once more to receive new videos as I post a new video